Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the connection and sharing, portable hotspot. Here you can switch this hotspot. Here you can change some of its settings. For example, here you can change its name, here you can change its password, here you can change its security protocol. Here you can select device identification. Here you can change its AP band. You can also share the QR code to connect to your portable hotspot. You can set one-time limit data. Here you can select which actions to perform when the data limit is exceeded. You can set your hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can set it, use it as the USB tethering if the USB cable is connected. You can use it as the Bluetooth tethering. And here you can manage connected devices. You can, for example, set the limit of connections, and here you have the block list, where you can block devices which you don't want to connect to your hotspot. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.